This is a 2021 Chevy 1500 Crew Cab 4x4 RST with a 3-liter Duramax engine, 10-speed automatic, 323 rear axle, 7,000-pound Gvwr. Features include All-Star Edition, C71 package, Convenience package, large 8-inch touchscreen Chevy MyLink infotainment with Sirius XM, Bluetooth with rear view camera, heated front seats, dual climate control, cruise control, remote start with keyless entry, power lock and release tailgate, factory 20-inch wheels. This Duramax fuel consumption will save you money. It's rated at 22 miles per gallon in town and 26 on the highway. This is a local trade-in, and it's a one-owner Montana truck. It has been inspected and serviced. The history report shows no accidents reported. The truck runs and drives great. We have a copy of the inspection as well as the history report. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.